Medical terminology: abdomino is abdomen, ambulato is walking, ancillo is servant, accessory, antero is before, front part, ascolto is listening, cardio is heart, caudo is tail, tailbone, cavo is hollow space, cephalo is head, chondro is cartilage, chrono is time, communicato is to impart, transmit, congento is present earth, corno is time, Cranio is cranium, skull. Crino is secrete. Dento is tooth. Dermato is skin. Dieto is foods, diet. Disto is away from the center point of origin. Dorso is back, dorsum. Entero is intestine. Etio is cause of disease. Exacerbo is increase, provoke. Externo is outside. Fracto is break up. Fronto is front. Gastro is stomach. Genero is production, creative. Generation. Genito is genitalia. Geno is arising from, produced by. Gero is old age. Nozo is knowledge. Gyneco is female, woman. Habitato is giveability. Hemato is blood. Heredito is genetic inheritance. Irator is physician, medical treatment. Idio is unknown, individual. Ilio is ilium, hip bone. Immuno is immune response. Infecto is disease within. Infero is below. Inguino is groin. Inspecto is looking at. Integumento is skin. Interno is inside. Intestino is intestine. Laryngo is larynx. Latero is side. Logo is word, the study of. Lumbo is lower back area between the ribs and pelvis. Lympho is lymph, lymphatic system. Macro is large. Medio is middle. Medico is physician, medicine. Micro is 1,000,000, small. Musculo is muscle. Nato is birth. Neo is new. Nervo is nerve. Neuro is nerve. No. Scomio is hospital. Nucleo is nucleus of an atom. Nutrio is nourishment. Obstrio is pregnancy and childbirth. Onco is tumor, mass. Ophthalmo is eye. Ortho is straight. Ortho is ear. Pilato is to reduce the severity of. Palpato is touching, feeling. Patho is disease, suffering. Pedo is child. Pelvo is pelvis, hip bone, renal pelvis. Percusso is tapping. Pharmaco is medicine, drug. Physio is physical function. Physico is body. Plasto is growth, formation. Postero is back part. Prevento is prevent. Producto is produce. Proximo is near the center point of origin. Psycho is mind. Pulmono is lung. Radio is radius, form burn, X-rays or radiation. Recupero is recover. Remisso is send back. Sagittio is going from front to back. Scopo is examine with an instrument. Skeleto is skeleton. Spino is spine, backbone. Spiro is breathe. Supero is above. Surgio is operative procedure. Tato is collection of symptoms. Techno is technical skill. Termo is end, boundary. Theraputo is therapy, treatment. Thoraco is thorax, chest. Tomo is cut, slice, layer. Umbilico is umbilicus, navel. Urino is urine, urinary system. Uro is urine, urinary system. Vascular is blood vessel. Hey, Trevor! Vascular is blood vessel. Ventro is front, abdomen. Verso is to travel, to turn. Viscero is large internal organs. Able is able to be. Ac is pertaining to. Ad is towards, in the direction of. Al is pertaining to. R is pertaining to. Air is pertaining to. Attic is pertaining to. Ation is a process being or having. Ative is pertaining to. Atori is pertaining to. Crine is thing that secretes. Drome is a running. Eon is one who performs. Ari is process of. Gen is that which produces. Eak is pertaining to. En is one who performs. Iatri is medical treatment. Ik is pertaining to. Ikel is pertaining to. Ishian is a skilled professional or expert. Ix is knowledge, practice. En is thing pertaining to. Eon is action, condition. Eor is pertaining to. Iros is pertaining to. Ist is one who specializes in. Istri is process related to the specialty of. Iti is state, condition. Iv is pertaining to. Logi is the study of. Ori is having the function of. Osis is condition, a normal condition process. Os is pertaining to. Scope is instrument used to examine. Chion is a process being or having. Tommy is process of cutting or making a decision. Verse is to travel, to turn. A is away from, without. Anna is apart from, excessive. Ooh, there's see more. D is reversal of, without. Dia is complete, completely through. Endo is innermost within. Epi is upon, above. Hypo is below, deficient. Mid is middle. Neo is new. Pro is before. Re is again and again. Backward, unable to. Sin is together. Trans is across, through. Acute is symptoms and signs that occur suddenly and severe in nature. Blood includes blood cells and plasma. Transports oxygen and nutrients to the cells. Carbon dioxide to the lungs and waste to the kidney. Cell is the smallest independently functioning structure in the body that can reproduce itself. Clinic is an ambulatory facility that provides healthcare services, often for one type of patient or disease. Disability is the permanent loss or ability to perform certain activities or function in a given way. Discharge is release of patient from healthcare facility by attending physician. Doctor is a healthcare professional who directs members of the healthcare team that can order and test and diagnose and treat patients. Hospice is an inpatient facility for patients who are dying from maternal illness and their physicians have certified they have less than 6 months to live. Hospital is a healthcare facility for acutely ill medical and surgical patients for longer than 24 hours. Inpatient is a patient in the hospital. Nurse is an allied professional who helps examine patients, making nursing diagnoses and gives medicines and treatment ordered by a physician. Organ is body structure, forms, or tissues. Outpatient is patients who are not admitted to a clinic or hospital and do not stay overnight. Plane is an imaginary flat surface that divides the body into two parts. Prone is the position of lying on the anterior surface of the body. Quadrant is four equal reference squares on the surface of the abdominopelvic area. Circular is a normal condition or complication caused by the original disease and remains after the original disease has been dissolved. Subacute is symptoms and signs that are less severe in intensity than acute symptoms. Supine is laying on the back. Symptom is deviation from health that is only experienced and felt by the patient. System is body system, a way to study the body according to its structures and how they function. Tissue is body structure. Tissue is body structure formed of cells. ANP is anatomy and physiology. AP is anterior posterior. ASC is ambulatory surgery center. CNM is certified nurse midwife. CRNA is certified registered nurse anesthesiast. CV is cardiovascular. D.C is doctor of chiropractic or chiropractic medicine. D.S is doctor of dental surgery. D.O. is doctor of osteopathy or osteopathic medicine. D.P.M is doctor of podiatric medicine. Dr. is doctor. DX is diagnosis. ED is emergency department. ENT is ears, nose, and throat. ER is emergency room. GI is gastrointestinal. GYN is gynecology. H&P is history and physical examination. HX is history. ICU is intensive care unit. LLQ is left lower quadrant. LPN is licensed practical nurse. LUQ is left upper quadrant. LVN is licensed vocational nurse. M.D is doctor of medicine. NP is obstetrics. OB/GYN is obstetrics and gynecology. O.D is doctor of optometry. PA is physician assistant, posterior anterior. PCP is primary care physician. Pharmaceutical doctor is doctor of pharmacy, or Pharm.D is doctor of pharmacy. PT is physical therapy. RLQ is the right lower quadrant. RN is registered nurse. R/O is rule out. RUQ is right upper quadrant. SNF is skilled nursing facility, pronounced SNF. SX is symptoms. TX is treatment. Verso is to travel, to turn.